Pozdravljeni prijatelji, moje ime je Botan. Prihajam iz Turquía and Istanbul.
Hola amigos, mi nombre es Jacob, soy de Turquía, Estambul.
Bonjour les amis, mon nom est Mete, je suis de Turquie, Istanbul.
Hola amigos, soy Ismail, estoy de Turquía, Istanbul.
Merhaba arkadaşlar, ben Eray, Türkiye, İstanbul'dan.
Some people like it's sun. Some people hate it. Can you guess? What's it? Doorbell. Ladies and gentlemen, we will explain in this video how to install doorbell system. After the video, you will decide it. The sound is sweet or not. Let's start installation. The materials that we are use: fuse, transformer, button, doorbell, and wire.
Thank you Batuhan for your explanation. I will show you how to draw doorbell pipe system. Before pipe installation, I will draw it by pen on a board. Let's start.
Üsküdar'a giderken altı yağmur altında üstü de bir gemi İstanbul. Baktı tozlu eski ve yeni kalmış kaslı üstü altı altın dolu.
Now we are mounting our materials on the board. I am mounting fuse. I am mounting transformer. I am mounting button. I am putting doorbell. I am putting pipes.
I will show you the wiring. I will use bell wire for this. Let's start the circuit. I close the fuse for security reasons. I connect the plug cable to input the fuse.
Nasıl hızlanacak?
I connecting the other plug cable to the transformer. Firstly, I connecting to bell from button. After, I connecting to doorbell from button. Now connecting to doorbell from button. Now I connecting to transformer from doorbell. Connecting to transformer. I finished wiring. It's time to press the button.
Smile, are you ready?
Of course.
Come on, Ismail.
Come on, Mete.
Okay.
3, 2,
Voilà. Car seras gledali. Bye.
Merci. De nouveau tarder. Au revoir.
Gracias por mirarnos. Adios.
Obrigado por nos observar. Adeus.
Bizi izlediğiniz için teşekkür ederiz. Güle güle.
Bitti. Bak oldu değil mi?